Oh, hi. Come on in. Don't be shy. If you're thinking of applying for an Amex card to build up a pile of membership rewards points, or maybe you're an Amex customer sitting on a pile already, you'll want to know how to make those points go as far as possible. Well, that's where I come in. And you thought I was just sat here relaxing. In this video, I'm going to take you through 5 epic summer experiences, from spa breaks to Airbnb stays, that you can trade for around 25,000 membership rewards points. Plus, I'll give you the inside scoop on how to make those points go further and how to boost your points pot if you're shy at the 25,000 mark. Champneys have spa and hotel locations across England. So if, like me, you know you deserve a day of pampering, you can swap 20,000 membership rewards points for a £100 gift card when you log into your Amex account and search for rewards. You can use your voucher for spa days, retreat stays and treatments, and on products during your visit. To redeem against a treatment, you will have to book a spa day or overnight package first. Champneys have a few handy deals on offer that can help you stretch that £100. For example, if you book a bed and breakfast package before the 3rd of September, you can enjoy 15% off at selected locations. Or put your gift card towards a Twilight spa break and get a free 20-minute express treatment. With the American Express Gold credit card, new card members can bag themselves a welcome bonus of 25,000 points when they sign up before the 8th of August 2023 and spend $3,000 in their first 3 months. New card members who apply before the 18th of July 2023 and also spend $3,000 in the first 3 months will also be entered into a prize draw to win up to £200 Amazon e-vouchers. You'll get your points within a few weeks of hitting that 3K total, even if you hit it before the 3 months is up. The card is free for the first year, after which you'll pay an annual fee of £160. Click this link here to find out more about the card. £20,000 points can also be traded in for a £100 Airbnb e-code. To redeem, sign up or log in at this address. Follow the on-screen prompts and your credit will automatically be applied when you book. Airbnb accepts Amex in most countries, so if your stay is over £100, stick the rest on your Amex card to start collecting points for your next trip. To make that £100 go as far as possible, there are a number of Airbnb hacks you can try. The first is to haggle with your host. Especially if you're staying for a long period of time, contact your host before your stay and see if they'd be willing to accept a reasonably discounted rate. Some hosts will also offer discounts on last-minute and early bird stays and may be willing to lower their prices on random gaps in their calendars that are hard to fill in. In general, if you can be flexible with your travel days, you're more likely to find a good off-peak deal. With the Amex Gold card, you'll earn 1 point for every £1 spent, but you can also score an extra 2 points on top of that when you book trips and hotel stays via American Express Travel, or an extra point per £1 spent when you book directly with participating airlines. Just bear in mind, if you use the card for spending abroad, there is a 2.99% fee on the amount that's applied after it's been converted back into pounds sterling. Unlock tickets to the best events, shows and movies across the UK by swapping 20,000 points for a £100 Ticketmaster, theatre tokens or Odeon gift card. Most can be redeemed online or at the venues, except for Ticketmaster, which you'll have to redeem in advance online. Use your theatre tokens gift card at TKTS, the big red kiosks in central London, to get access to some of the best discounts on the city's best shows. Visit a kiosk in person or search by discounts only on the TKTS website. Cinema lovers should sign up for a free My Odeon account for access to cheaper saver tickets on selected showings Tuesday to Sunday and all day on Member Mondays. Experience number 4 is a DIY day out with National Trust and National Rail. Once you've traded 20,000 points for your £100 National Trust gift voucher, grab a cuppa and start planning which stately homes, stunning gardens or wild walking route you want to visit before enjoying a well-deserved cream tea. If you're travelling a little further afield, put the rest of your points towards your train fare. As of May 2023, 5,000 points will get you £22.50 off a National Rail ticket. To redeem points against your tickets, use your Amex card to buy your tickets and select View Points options on the Safe Key screen after checkout. What's an epic summer without an epic summer barbecue? Use your Amex points to DIY a discount get-together for friends and family. Trade in 10,000 points for a 50 quid M&S e-code, food sorted. Trade another 10,000 for a 50 quid Laithwaite's e-code, adults entertainment sorted. And swap your remaining 5,000 points for a £25 Sports Direct e-code. And keep the kids and/or inebriated adults entertained with a Rounders set or garden games. If you're wondering what 25 quid can get you at Sports Direct, the answer is a lot. Bag a Rounders set for 6 quid, a giant drafts and chess set for £12.99, and 2 outdoor balls for 9 quid. Okay, that's a little over £25, but keeping everyone entertained so you can focus on not burning the sausages, well, that's priceless. So find out more about how you can turn your points into epic experiences this summer. Check out our full guide on finder.com by clicking this link here. The Amex Gold Card is one of many that can earn you points as you spend. If you're looking for a rewards credit card, check out the link in the description below to compare a whole range before deciding on the right one for you. For more videos like this one, like, subscribe, and hit that bell button below. Thanks for watching.